Welcome to our first ever OpenAI Dev Day. About a year ago, we shipped Chat GPT. We followed that up with the launch of GPT-4. And in the last few months, we launched voice and vision capabilities so that Chat GPT can now see, hear, and speak. So now, on to the new stuff, and we have got a lot. Today, we are launching a new model, GPT-4 Turbo. GPT-4 Turbo supports up to 128,000 tokens of context. That's 300 pages of a standard book. GPT-4 Turbo has knowledge about the world up to April of 2023, and we will continue to improve that over time. And with our new text-to-speech model, you'll be able to generate incredibly natural-sounding audio with 6 preset voices to choose from. I'll play an example.
Did you know that Alexander Graham Bell, the eminent inventor, was enchanted by the world of sounds?
This is much more natural than anything else we've heard out there. We do not train on data from the API or ChatGPT Enterprise ever. And we heard your feedback, that model picker, extremely annoying. That is gone starting today. You will not have to click around the drop-down menu. ChatGPT will just know what to use and when you need it. We're thrilled to introduce GPTs. GPTs are tailored versions of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. You can build a customized version of ChatGPT for almost anything, with instructions, expanded knowledge, and actions, and then you can publish it for others to use. Let's look at a few examples. Canva has built a GPT that lets you start designing by describing what you want in natural language. If you say, make a poster for a dev day reception this evening, and you give it some details, it'll generate a few options. You can keep chatting with this to see different iterations, and when you see one you like, you can click through to Canva for the full design experience. Zapier has built a GPT that lets you perform actions across 6,000 applications to unlock all kinds of integration possibilities.
So to start, where your GPT will live is on this upper left corner. I'm going to start with a Zapier AI Actions. I can ask, what's on my schedule for today? So you can see right here, it's already connected to my calendar. It pulls into my information. So what if I want to let Sam know that I have to leave early? So right here I say, let Sam know I gotta go, chasing GPUs. Sam, did you get that?
I did. Later this month, we're going to launch the GPT store. You can list a GPT there, and we'll be able to feature the best. Revenue sharing is important to us. We're going to pay people who build the most useful and the most used GPTs a portion of our revenue.
Today, we're launching new modalities in the API, but we are also very excited to improve the developer experience for you all to build assistive agents. Imagine I'm building Wanderlust, a travel app for global explorers, but let's enhance this app by adding a very simple assistant to it. Creating an assistant is easy. You just give it a name, some initial instructions, a model, in this case I'll pick GPT-4 Turbo, and here I'll also go ahead and select some tools. And that's it, our assistant is ready to go. If I say, hey, let's go to Paris. All right, that's it. With just a few lines of code, users can now have a very specialized assistant right inside the app. If I carry on and say, hey, what are the top 10 things to do? We're going to have the assistant respond to that again. And here, what's interesting is that the assistant knows about functions, including those to annotate the map that you see on the right. And so now all of these pins are dropping in real time here. And that integration allows our natural language interface to interact fluidly with components and features of our app. And it truly showcases now the harmony you can build between AI and UI, where the assistant is actually taking action. In fact, I got inspired and I already booked my tickets to Paris. So I'm just going to drag and drop here this PDF. And behind the scene here, what's happening is that Retrieval is reading these files, and boom, the information about this PDF appeared on the screen.
Our precursors to agents are going to be able to do much, much more. They'll gradually be able to plan and to perform more complex actions on your behalf. We do all of this because we believe that AI is going to be a technological and societal revolution. It will change the world in many ways. Thank you for coming here today.